Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind them we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. Now we do get to the LED headlights as well as the black Kinder Girls. Full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now as you can see on that front left wing you do have the electric charging port, as this car is a hybrid. Now there's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now I do get front and rear parking sensors, and there's a quick look at that rear boot spoiler. It really does make this car stand out from the rest. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. There's a look at the last alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now we do have full Dakota leather throughout, as you can see just there. We have ISOFIX points and we also have the pull down armrest. Now behind the front seats you do have the storage nets. We have electric windows with your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat and then the passenger. Now on the doors again you do get the electric windows and also the integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car and looking down there you do have your auto lights. Foot on the brake you do also have your keyless start. Now I do get a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. Now being a hybrid it has already turned on, but it is silent. Now this vehicle has done just over 52,240 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now I do have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, and you also have your auto wipers just there. Coming over to the left hand side you also have your auto high beam assist. Now on the screen just in the centre you do find the satellite navigation. Now we do have the satellite navigation, we have your media connectivity where we have DAB radio. We also have FM, AM, online entertainment, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. You also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Back into navigation, pop car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Now we do get different drive modes where you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Pop back into Sport. Now you do get to the eDrive settings there as well, so you can have it on Max eDrive or you can have the eDrive Save or Auto eDrive. It's entirely up to your preferences. Coming down here you do have the dual zone climate control. Now it works exactly how you would expect it to for both sides with ice cold aircon. Storage tray just down there. Pop this open, you do have 2 nice size cup holders, 12 volt connectivity. Traction control on and off as well as your drive mode select and also your parking sensors and again your eDrive button just there. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. There's a quick look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.